Good morning. Namaskar. A very, very happy Independence Day to all you amazing rock stars and fabulous, inspiring people. Namaskar to all of you. To be born in this amazing world created by the divine and to be born in this country that has the best of natural resources, spirituality, independence, talking about equality of men and women as far as Ardhanarishwara concept is concerned. We are blessed to be born in this country as a tribute to this country and all you fabulous people out there. There is a small reading of the 99th shloka of the Saundarya Lahari composed by Sri Adi Shankaracharya. Before that, just two lines dedicated to this country, to this world, and all of you. Shubhadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram. We salute the Divine Mother who is Shubhada, she who grants us auspiciousness as she indeed does, and Varadham, she who grants us all the boons and blessings. We are an amazing nation, amazing citizens. So, His Holiness Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya, in his speech when India obtained independence, said the Indian flag has the Dharma Chakra in the middle, which is like the Sudarshan Chakra of Bhagwan Vishnu. Sudarshan, that which gives us good vision. It drives away the darkness of the mind, of the soul. We have masters like Guruji who have given us the Sudarshan Kriya, which drives away the ignorance from our hearts. We are indeed blessed. And we have the three colors. The orange, according to Kanchi Mahaswami, stands for Mahalakshmi, as she indeed is worshipped in this country. The green stands for Durga, fertility, bravery, and the white stands for Mahasaraswati, intelligence and knowledge. So the country who is worshipped in the form of a divine feminine has all the three aspects of the divine feminine. So let us just read this shloka dedicated to all of you. The essence of the shloka is, to have a successful life, we need intelligence, knowledge, education, Saraswati. Second, we need Lakshmi, we need wealth, we need prosperity, we need goodwill, which is all the essence of Mahalakshmi. Everyone wants to look good. We should have inner and outer beauty. Fourth, having a long life, free of diseases, so that we can use our body and mind and all the gifts for the service of the mankind. And finally, somewhere, to let go of all the bonds and shackles that bind us and go into independence, which is moksha. So let us read this amazing composition by Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya. Saraswatya Lakshmiya Vidhi Hari Sapatno Viharate Rate Pati Vratyam Shithilayati Ramyena Vapusha Chiram Jivaneva Kshapita Pashupasha Vyatikara Parananda Bhikyam Rasayati Rasam Tvat Bhajanavan. Jagadguru Adi Shankaracharya says, one who worships you, O daughter of the mountains, addressed to goddess Parvati or Durga, they will get Saraswatya Lakshmiya Vidhi Harisa Patno Viharate. They will get so much of Devi Saraswati's blessings that Vidhi, God Brahma will get jealous of the person. So much of knowledge and education and good communication skills. Lakshmiya. So much of the grace of Goddess Lakshmi, wealth, prosperity, satisfaction, and the ability to share the wealth and prosperity all around us. So much that Hari, Lord Vishnu, will become jealous of us. Rate Pativratyam. The Pativrata of Rati will be a little goddess Rati, the wife of Kamadeva, will wonder, are you Kamadev, the one who worships the Divine Mother? Because the person will have inner and outer beauty, and they will spread beauty. As indeed all you amazing people out there do it, by just being as you are. Chiram Jeevan Neva, they will have a long, happy life, free of diseases. Kshapita Pashupasha Vyatikara. A day will come when they will let go of the Pashupasha, all the bonds that hold us behind. Paranandabhikyam rasati rasam tvat bhajanavan. Once we let go of the shackles, the insecurities, by the grace of the Divine Mother, we will have Parananda, the ultimate moksha, the ultimate satisfaction, the ultimate beauty. Would like to share a quote by the beautiful poet Rumi. Your task is not to seek for love. Your task is not to seek for love, but for the walls that you have built around it. Often we forget that we all are blessed. We have so many blessings. We choose to focus on the insecurities and our fears that hold us back. So on this Independence Day, this chanting of the 99 shloka of Saundara Lahari is dedicated to all of you, dedicated to the nation, dedicated to the world, dedicated to the galaxy, dedicated to everything out there, that may we all get the blessings of wisdom, wealth, inner and outer beauty, a long disease-free life filled with prosperity, so that we can share whatever love and happiness that we have with our loved ones, with the entire world across continents. This small tribute is to all of you. Vande Mataram, salute to all of you for being amazing as you are. A very, very happy Independence Day, and may we all shine and may we all have an amazing life. Thank you. Have an amazing day and an amazing year ahead.